Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an unarc error when you try to install the games. So here, there are so many methods. There are some method that you can try. One of the method that I usually try is you can go to the Windows R. You can hold this Windows R in order to open Run and try to type ms config. Here, click OK, and this is system configuration. Now you can click on boot, and here click on advanced option. See, there's a number of processor. You can tick this box and try to set the maximum processor. Maybe you have 8, 9, or even 12. Set it into the maximum. You can click OK. Then you can click apply, restart your PC, and try to reinstall the games. So another method, you can try to increase your page file or virtual memory. You can go back to the Windows R, and now you can type sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Now you can go to the advanced, click performance settings. Click again advanced and click change virtual memory, untick this box and click custom size. Here, initial size and maximum size. You have to learn first how much RAM, how many RAM that you have or installed on your system. So for example, 8 GB or 16 GB, find it on the internet how to fill initial size or maximum size if you only have 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.